Lumenant, we bring comfort to life. Imagine having the perfect temperature and airflow in your home, creating an oasis of peace and relaxation. Our efficient and quiet technology provides a peaceful and relaxing environment for you and your loved ones.
With Lumenant Solutions, it allows our residents to have climate control in each individual apartment. It's easy to control and it's motion detected, so when they're not in their apartment, it shuts off. When they come back in, it cuts back on. Super simple, and it's just an extra layer of care for them.
I think it's wonderful that Lumenant is monitoring our heating and air so that each individual resident can adjust it to their preference. And the same thing for staffing. It still keeps the floor nice and cool or warm, whatever it needs to be.
Worry-free living is our promise. You can trust that our team of professionals is always monitoring each system to prevent any failures and to ensure optimal comfort.
When I compare our community with other communities, I think Lumenant is a big differentiator. The impact that it's had here for us and what we've been able to do as far as providing for our residents has really been substantial.
Really just knowing that you're able to make a difference in their life, even if that's just letting them have their own individualized temperature that they like in their room. Just the small things actually are the reason why you do it.
Relax comfortably. A life of wellness starts with Lumenant.